Welcome to MathGPT's Compliance Corner. Today we are going to explore a question about who is responsible for holding the Certified Welder Qualifications Report, which is a Part 14 issue. Here is the question we need to answer. Who is responsible for maintaining copies of the Certified Welder Qualifications Report? This diagram shows the Welding Agency holding the report and making it available to the Department of Buildings for inspection. Now, let's examine the choices. Choice A names the Welding Agency and the Department of Buildings, while the other choices refer to materials or companies. Part 14 of the piping rules focuses on material and joint responsibilities, so option A is the correct one that stays within those requirements. Options B, C, and D reference material or joint methods that Part 14 either forbids or does not recommend for pressure service. Let's summarize the reasoning. Part 14's piping and material requirements for pressure service explicitly state that the Welding Agency keeps those reports. The report copies must also stay available to the Department of Buildings for review. Choices B, C, and D refer to material or joint methods that Part 14 does not permit or recommend. That is why option A is the correct answer.